Okay, this is going to be the last one we do today on the chain rule. So our function this time, that's a, need to, there we go. Let's try this again. All right, y equals the quotient of x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared, all to the third power, times the sine of 3x squared plus 2x. And our goal is to find dy dx. So in these practice problems, we've been differentiating compositions. We've been using the chain rule is what we've needed to do. And so we want to be able to use the chain rule on this problem. Oops. There we go. Okay, so first thing, notice that this is a product. So okay, we've got a product here, which means we have to use the product rule. So the way that this works is first times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Okay, now in order to differentiate this, we have to know the outer function and the inner function. So the outer function is sine. The derivative of sine is cosine. So this will be the cosine of the inner function times the derivative of the inner function. So that's this piece right here. All times x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared cubed. All right, now the outer function here is the whole thing cubed. So the outer function, we'll call that f of x equals x cubed. The inner function is x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared. So when we differentiate this, we're going to need the quotient rule. So first we find f prime. That's going to be 3 of g of x squared. So that's x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared times g prime of x, which is the derivative of this. So let's find the derivative separately of x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared. Low d high minus high d low all over, let's try that again, a little bit better, all over low low. Oop, squared. There we go. Good. All right. So the numerator becomes 5 minus x squared and then plus 2x squared plus 6x all over 5 minus x squared squared 2x squared. Oh, but 2x squared minus x squared is 1, so that should be a 1x squared. Let me erase that, make that a little bit better. There we go, good. So that's 1x squared plus 6x and then plus 5. Perfect. All over 5 minus x squared squared. And so that's the derivative of g. So this is times x squared plus 6x plus 5 all over 5 minus x squared squared. Now we can write the final answer. dy dx equals x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared cubed times, I'm going to bring this part to the front a little bit, put it in the middle actually, 6x plus 2, put the trig function at the last part, 3x, 2x, good, plus, let's put these two terms first, 3x plus 3 over 5 minus x squared squared times x squared plus 6x plus 5 over 5 minus x squared squared times the sine of 3x squared plus 2x. And that is the instantaneous rate of change of the function. God bless you wherever you are today.